Hey folks, Roberto Lee here at Treviso Bay, and today we're going to preview one of our newest listings. This is Unit 1216 GIAVENO of Treviso Bay. This unit is being offered completely turnkey, so everything that you see in this video is going to come with this condo. And let's walk in and take a look at this unit here. It's the Bellini floor plan, part of the golf included line of terrace condos here at Treviso Bay. What you're seeing here is the master bedroom, and you've got his and her style closets. You've got the master here with the singular sink, the stand-up shower stall here, and your commode. Coming back out from the master here into the hallway directly across, you have your guest bath here with a single sink and combination tub and shower here. And we're just going to back out real quick and take a look at the guest room here, furnished with twin beds. And you also have the bifold closet here. Now as we head towards the main living areas, to our left here, this closet here is going to contain your full-size washer and dryer. These owners also added additional shelving above the washer and dryer there, which is really convenient. And as we come in here, this is a flex area. These owners have added a Murphy bed configuration here, so you can pull that down and sleep 6 in this unit. They also have a little desk there, workspace, and an additional storage with the Murphy bed there. And directly across from this flex space here is your great room area. That all looks out onto your views here, which in this case, on the first floor, you have a nice preserved view back here. Really beautiful and pretty. Very private. And off to the left here, you have a little lake. And as you can see right now, directly above is the sun. So you're going to see a beautiful sunset from your lanai here. And going back inside the unit here, you've got the kitchen that overlooks the great room area. Nice sized pantry in the corner there. And then you've got the eating kitchen area with the bay windows that overlook your views as well. And you got a nice long view down the lake here. Full stainless appliance package included with the unit. And that's about it. This is Unit 1216 GIAVENO in Treviso Bay. It's being offered turnkey. Everything that you see in this unit comes with the unit. It's one of the best priced turnkey units you're going to find at Treviso Bay. Very convenient on the first floor. No stairs to go up. If you have pets, take them easily right outside. And it's a quick 5, 6, 7 minute walk. Directly across from this building is the golf clubhouse. Folks, this is Unit 1216. If you're interested in this unit, you can reach us at 239-671-4046. You can also email Roberto at trevisobayatnaples.com. And for all the latest and greatest information, you can visit our website, trevisobayatnaples.com. Guys, thanks for looking, and we'll talk to you soon.